Problem statement. Find the number of unique customers based on the customer key in the sales table. Now, if you look into the sales table, you can see the customer key column over here. Now, each row entry in this sales table is an individual order from a customer, and one customer could have placed more than one order. Hence, one customer key can have more than one row in the sales table. For example, let us pick any of the customer key. So, I'll go with this one. So, you can see that there are these many orders placed by this particular customer with this customer key. Now, if I want to get the number of unique customer count, then no matter how many entries there are for each customer key, it should be counted only once. So this way I'll get the count of distinct customers. So in cases like these, we can use the distinct count function. So for that, I'll add a new measure. And I'll name this measure unique customer count. And I'll use the function distinct count. And the only argument for this that you have to provide is the column name. And the column is the customer key column from the sales table. So I will type in sales and here is the column. I'll select that. Now close the bracket and hit enter. So here you can see that the unique customer count measure has been created. I will move this under the all DAX table where I have all my other measures. So I will just click on this. Here I will change the home table from sales to all DAX. Alright, it's done. Now let's go to the report view. And I'll add a card to it. And now to this, I'll drag and drop the unique customer count measure. And here you can see that the unique customer count is 11k. Similarly, you can use the count blank function to count the number of blank cells in a column. Then count rows helps you count the number of rows in a specific table. And likewise, there are many more self-explanatory statistical functions.